How to fix Afterpay app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. One of the main reasons your Afterpay application might not be working is because you are not using the latest version of your Afterpay app. To make sure, let's head over to our Play Store and search for Afterpay. If you see update sign beside the Afterpay app, just tap on update and update your app. Now in case it says open, just leave it as it is and head over to your settings. At this page, scroll below until you find apps. And here search for Afterpay. For instance, if this is my Afterpay application, under app info page, scroll below onto storage and clear the data. Also make sure that you know your credentials before clearing this application's data. Now come back and tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Once you do all that, this shall fix your Afterpay app not working problem in your device. If you are still facing that issue, then you have to uninstall that application overall and install it again from your Play Store. That will definitely fix your app not working problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.